Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to discuss about poem problem in HTML. So quickly, let's get started. Let's open our former document with Google Chrome or any other browser. This is what we have in it. This is where we stop in our old video. Let's open it with our VS Code to see what is inside. This is what we have in our code. So today we are using this p tag with another form of formatting document. We call it pre-format. As you can see, we call it pre-formatted text PR tag. But firstly, let's look at the poem problem in the HTML code. Let's copy this and come to our HTML file, index.html file. Write HR to give it a horizontal line. As we explained in the other video, former video, we have discussed about HR tag. It draws a horizontal line. Let's reload our document. As you can see, now we have the horizontal line. Come back to your document and paste your code. Let's save it and see how it looks. Wow, everything is on a straight line, and we don't want this. What do we want? We want it to look exactly like someone like this, like we formatted this one cleanly as it's clean, and we want this also to be like this, like the way we did it here is how we want it to render on our web browser. We don't want it on a long line like this. We want everything to have full stop and another gap, full stop, another line, full stop to another line, full stop to another line. This should be another line, another line, another line, and so on. So quickly, this is what we will do. We will change this p tag. We change it to pre-e tag with open and closing pre tag. Save it and see how it looks. You will see this, it will format it and it will rearrange it. Everything will be on a new line. This will be on a new line. This will be on a new line. This and this also, they are all going to be on a new line. Can you see? This one is where we stop. We stop here 2, 3 and 4. We will have 4 new lines. As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Without putting BR tag here, without using PR tag, we will have our new line. Let's see how it works. Reload it. Wow, it shows. So let's say, what is the difference between the BR tag and the pre tag? The pre tag works. It works also, but the pre tag, it adds another margin to the text, and also it add another padding to the text. If we use p tag like we did in the other video, if we enclose this inside p tag and give it a gap like this, p opening and closing p tag, let's save it and see how it looks. You will see the gap here will come back because we enclose this inside a p tag with p tag with p nested p tag. Let's save it. Everything we are using everything with p tag, our paragraph tag. Let's reload it. This page we come back to the normal place. It's supposed to be like this place. Can you see? So definitely when we use pre tag, the pre tag we put a gap, it will put a padding, and it will also put a margin. It will put a gap at the top, and it will also put a gap by the side of the text. That is the benefit of using pre tag in case you want to use it. So this is pre tag. Let's go back to the pre tag and save it and see how it looks. Can you see? So this is the one we wrote with br tag. This is the one we wrote with pre tag. As you can see, what I'm doing here is that I'm trying to place this one also here, so you can be able to recognize it clearly to see how it looks. This is the one we use p tag to enclose it, to format it. We format this one with p tag, only p tag. This one is using p tag with br tag, while this one is using pre tag, pre tag, the pre-formatted text tag. This is it. P tag hr. This one is using br tag. This one is using pre tag. So I think you can get the point now. So we have to stop today. Let me explain something. The HTML pre-element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside pre element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually Carrier, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. That is, This pre-tag, whenever you use it, it is already having a default font, a default width size from the HTML. This one also, you can use style attribute to change how it looks because it displays something. This is 10 pixels. Let's see how it looks. Can you see how it looks here? Let's reload it. As you can see, you see how it looks. You can use style attribute to make it look better because it displays something. Can you see how it looks? You can use it anyhow you want. Anyhow you want. Everything has a benefit. See this? You can put style attribute here also. This one also can use style attribute. Can you see how everything works? You can see. So everything has a different benefit. So I think you get the point here. In the future video, we are going to discuss much more better about HTML elements that you haven't yet to hear about. So I will need to stop here today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. Have a great day. Thank you.